Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to set your Firefox browser to open up a new tab instead of a new window when clicking on links. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Firefox browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, i-click mo lang tong three-line icon na to. Ito yung Open Applications menu, so click mo lang siya. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa left side menu, dito lang sa right side ay hanapin mo lang dito yung tabs. And under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-check tong open links and tabs instead of new windows. Okay? So i-check mo lang tong box and that's it. Wala nang ibang option settings dito na gagawin, kundi i-check mo lang tong box. Ayan. So ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-set ang Firefox browser to open links and tabs instead of new windows. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.